Now we will move on to the next relationship, that is total revenue and marginal revenue when price remains constant. Now when price remains constant, firms can sell any quantity of output at the fixed price, which is fixed by the market. As a result, marginal revenue and average revenue curve, as we have seen in the earlier diagram, it has coincided with the price line and it is a straight parallel to x-axis. Now since MR remains constant, see my marginal revenue is constant, my total revenue is also increasing at a constant rate. See 555, it is increasing at a constant rate. Due to this reason, the total revenue curve is a positively sloped straight line. Due to this reason, this total revenue curve is a positively sloped straight line. As total revenue is 0, why the total revenue curve is starting from here? This is fine. This is fixed by the market. We have to sell at this price and these two are coinciding with this. But why this total revenue is starting from 0? Just because when the output is 0, my total revenue will be 0. When my output is 0, my total revenue will be 0. So that is why it is starting from the 0 point. That is from the origin. And it is increasing at a constant rate. See 55555, it is increasing at a rate of 5. See, that is why it is a constant straight line. Okay. Now we will be moving on to the last relationship of today, that is relationship between total revenue and price line. Now when price remains constant at all levels of output, then price is equal to R is equal to MR. Therefore price line is same as the MR curve. Total revenue is equal to summation of MR. So the area under the MR curve or the price line will be equal to TR. So TR at OQ level of output is equal to OP into OQ. OP into OQ. That is equal to area under the price line. So this I will be explaining in the next video.